Today now we are going to revise which we have done in previous class. Now here we will learn given below are groups of words. Write them in correct order so as to make sentences. Do not forget to use capital letters and full stop. Elephant, the big is a animal. The elephant is a big animal. What is this? The elephant is a big animal. Now flowers, the vase are in. Now these words are not in proper order, so you have to arrange these words in a proper way. The flowers are in the vase means you have to write in a proper order. Won the tortoise the race. The tortoise won the race. We have to write in this way. Many tree their birds are the on. We have there are many birds on the tree. Now next question. Look at the picture and complete the sentences using correct prepositions. We have to use correct prepositions. Prepositions are means we have to show the location where the thing is put or kept. Means under, over, behind, on, above. You have to use these words. Tina is standing dash umbrella, under the umbrella. This is on from page 6 of from textbook. This is, if you have your textbook, you can go through that book and open page 6. Then second sentence, the fox is jumping over the fence. The fox is jumping over the fence. Reshma is hiding the dash tree, behind the tree. In the book you will get the picture that Reshma is behind the tree. Behind the tree means वो ट्री के पीछे खड़ी है. The fox is jumping over the fence. Over the fence मतलब वो fence, वो जो बाउंड्री लगी हुई है उसके ऊपर से जा रहा है. टीना इज स्टैंडिंग अंडर द अम्ब्रेला मतलब अम्ब्रेला लेकर जा रही है, वो अम्ब्रेला के नीचे है. The bird is flying dash my head, over my head. बुक में आपको दिखाया जाएगा कि बर्ड वो मेरे सिर के ऊपर से चला गया. Now next is question C, which is on the page, same page 6 पर ही आपको दिखाई देगा. Question C. Match the sentences to their objects. The shopkeeper is keeping, क्या आएगा? The things. Shopkeeper is keeping the things. You have to mark like this. Priya is, or you can also mention here numbers also. First is C1 is first. Then Priya is wearing her new dress. It is D is an second number. Then Sachin is holding the bat. Sachin is holding the bat. 3 number. Then Ranu is watching. Ranu is watching TV. This is 4 number. Then parrots eat. It is B question. Chilies. Then rewrite the sentences using capital letters. New Delhi is this is on page 7. Now open page number 7 from textbook. You will notice we have to write in capital letters. Those who don't have your textbooks, then you can write these sentences in your classwork notebook. You have to I will send you these written pics in WhatsApp number, and you have to copy these sentences in your classwork notebook. That is your homework. If you have book, then you can write only answers in your textbook. New Delhi is the capital of India. These words are written in small letters. You have to write in capital letters. First of all, we have to write new, N-E-W, new is N is capital. Then Delhi, D-E-L-H-I, Delhi is the capital of India. In India, you have to write I in capital letters, then full stop. Parul lives in Canada. Parul will be P capital, lives in Canada. C will be capital. Then next question, that is also on page 7. Fill in the blanks with the correct describing words. The giraffe has a dash neck. What will be the answer? Short or a long? It will be long. Long neck. उसको लंबी सी गर्दन होती है. I have a dash dress. New or a fat. Dress new होती है, fat नहीं होती. अच्छा suitable word ढूंढ के लिखना है. Rita has dash hair. Old or a black. ब्लैक कलर के हेयर होते हैं, तो आंसर लिखेंगे ब्लैक. Then next is this is and dash story. It will be soft or interesting. क्या आएगा? Interesting story. A tiger has dash strips. Red or a black. टाइगर को कौन से कलर के स्ट्रिप्स होते हैं? ब्लैक स्ट्रिप्स होते हैं. इसमें से दो में से एक ऑप्शन चूज करके आंसर कंप्लीट करना है. नाउ क्वेश्चन F. इट इज़ ऑल्सो ऑन द पेज 7. कंप्लीट द आंसर्स फॉर द क्वेश्चंस गिवन बिलो. डिड शालू वेलकम द गेस्ट? क्या आएगा आंसर? यस, शालू वेलकम्ड. ईडी आ जाएगा. क्या आएगा? वेलकम्ड. ईडी लिखेंगे. वेलकम द गेस्ट. उसके बाद आएगा फुल स्टॉप. देन नेक्स्ट इज डिड ही पीप इनटू द रूम? यस, ही पीप इनटू द रूम. Then third question, what did Tom paint? Tom painted the fans. Fourth is, what did you complete your work? When did you complete your work? I had completed my work yesterday. मीन्स यू हैव डन योर वर्क येस्टरडे, कल किया था तो क्या आएगा, हैड वर्कड. कंप्लीटेड माई वर्क, आई हैव कंप्लीटेड माई वर्क, कल कंप्लीट किया था इसीलिए हैड आएगा. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज जी. चूज द करेक्ट वर्ड्स टू कंप्लीट द सेंटेंसेस. ही picked up, lift up the brush and started painting. मतलब इसमें से दो में से एक वर्ड चूज करके सर्कल करना है. पिक्ड हो सकता है, लिफ्टेड नहीं. पिक्ड मतलब लेना, उसमें से डिप करके और पेंटिंग की उसने. रोहन सॉ या लुक्ड एट द गार्डन हैप्पीली. सॉ नहीं आएगा, लुक्ड एट आएगा. उसके गार्डन पे नज़र गई, एट हैप्पीली. देन नेक्स्ट इज सुमित सेड और आस्क्ड मोहित इफ़ ही कुड पेंट द वॉल. सुमित सेड नहीं आएगा, आस्क्ड आएगा, पूछा उसने. देन नेक्स्ट इज ऋषि sat in the shade and ate or gave the mango. क्या आएगा, ऋषि sat in the shade and ate the mango, मतलब उसने मैंगो खाया. Aunt Annie took or gave Tina a gift. Aunt Annie took और gave, क्या आएगा, gave टीना अ गिफ्ट. टीना को उसने क्या दिया, गिफ्ट दिया. नाउ फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू go through this video and I will also send you this video, this pics, and you have to copy in your classwork. That is your homework. So you have to complete within 2 days. Okay.